Good morning. It's Thursday, October 17th, 2013. Still having trouble with getting these videos up onto YouTube because my camera takes pictures in Apple format, and now for some reason I'm not able to convert some of them going into YouTube. So anyway, I'm downloading a video converter, but I'm having a problem getting that running. If I can get a video converter running, then I will use Windows Movie Maker and make the videos there, and then just upload the already made movie in a format that YouTube likes. So that's the story right now. Well, now I'm running a check disk. Something's wrong with my disk system. I ran a scan. Now I'm running a Microsoft scan. So hopefully I didn't run a virus or something trying to set up that program.